Okay, good morning po to everyone. Today we study about the measurement. Measurement. Measurement under kilogram, hectograms, decagrams, grams. Meaning to say, if kg, it means kilogram. Hg means hectogram. Dag means decagram. And G means gram. Okay, this is my example. If there are 4 kilograms to hectogram, so meaning to say, we multiply it by 10. So 4 times 10 equals 40. So if the given is 4 kilogram, it equals to 40 hectogram. Yeah. Another example, if the given is 5 kilogram to to dec to decagram, is when we say decagram to kilogram, we multiply it by hundreds. So 5 kilogram times 100, it equals to 500 decagram. So these are the example of measurement under kilograms up to grams. Another example is if it is 7 kilogram to grams, so we multiply it by 1,000 to find gram. If it is the given is 7 kilogram, multiply is 1,000, the answer is 7,000 grams. So guys, this is my example under measurement from kilogram to hectogram to decagram and to gram. So guys, sana naintindihan po ninyo ang aking topic for today. Thank you and bye-bye po to everyone.